Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make organic henna at home. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need high-quality, 100% pure body art quality henna powder. Next, choose a liquid like lemon juice or strong brewed tea. Finally, select an essential oil such as lavender, tea tree, or cagebut, which helps with dye release and adds a pleasant aroma. Make sure you have a non-metal bowl and a spoon ready for mixing. Now, let's mix the paste. Gradually add your liquid to the henna powder, stirring continuously. Aim for a consistency similar to thick yogurt or mashed potatoes, ensuring there are no lumps. Once smooth, incorporate about 15 to 20 drops of your essential oil. This step is crucial for achieving a rich, long-lasting stain. Cover the mixture tightly to prepare for dye release. After mixing, it's time for dye release. Cover your bowl with plastic wrap, pressing it directly onto the paste to prevent a crust from forming. Let it sit at room temperature for 6 to 12 hours. The exact time depends on your environment and ingredients. Once the dye has released, you can use the paste immediately or store any unused portions in the freezer for up to 6 months. Finally, for application and aftercare. Transfer your ready-to-use henna paste into a cone or applicator bottle. Apply your design to clean, dry skin. Once the paste dries, leave it on for at least 4 to 8 hours, or even longer for a darker stain. Gently scrape off the dried paste. Avoid washing it with water for the first 24 hours. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals to keep you refreshed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.